So we start out today's video with our first long to Pixie hair change. So she does a bit of some DIY cutting to start, and then the stylist cleans her up. Wow, that is a lot of hair, but look at this beautiful Pixie. She looks absolutely gorgeous with this hair change. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and like I said at the start of the video, today we're going to be checking out some long to Pixie hair transformations. Here we have someone who is going to be dyeing their hair. Looks like she's going blonde. Oh, wow. Absolutely love the blonde coloring, the shape, the asymmetrical shape. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. And she does have the super long bangs going there in the front, leaving a lot of options when it comes to styling. Very nice. And then we move on to the next one. So she's going to be getting a full makeover for this. Touching up those grays with some color. Very nice. I really like the shape and texture of this Pixie. She looks beautiful. And then here we have someone who has a bob. Stylist shapes the hair into a beautiful Pixie style. And she also decided to go beige blonde. Now this is more of like a shaggy Pixie variation, a lot of length. Very nice. Beautiful shape and texture. And here we see someone, it looks like she has a grown out bob. And she decided to also switch it up with a shaggy Pixie variation. So cute and chic. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. And the stylist also has a nice little Pixie going there. Looks like she's getting some color. Ooh, so she went with like the ash blonde trend. Wow, this is absolutely breathtaking. I like the spiky texture that she has. Very nice. nice. And then we end the video with this beautiful all black pixie style. She's got the feather bangs going there in the front to frame out the face. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.